abusua we back no ma bebre na ekoso wo corona ni nuansem fu abusua mu didi we ye wiase yetimu nipa more than 3 million na achi yade ibi mu beye 1 million nko afiri America mesi nensem ne doso ya chechire ne se pemfo kashire eba besanim te se gbochi a woto yi asentoma ye hyase abusia study fun bi akoso a ekeka nsem bi a kire se omo ye sa study ni nyina no esi etwa omo asufiri wiase na ne se abusia according to the New York Post no nkofo bi no ye study bi a omo hwe the disparity ni anti ya corona na se chinipa memma momwu more than ma na afede ni omo koye study ni omo de babo nten ne se wu ye be ma na se corona ni wura wu body ni mu a ofa o che se wo lungs ne na se fo de on de price chemists man o pass through musa na busu no akwakoshe ohwewom che se wura wura body ni nyina no okope ohwewom atena abusu won adwenboni ada virus ni tim na che se wiase ben kura na abusu asese yebom no na ka virus ene hwewa eni twaka bia ndi omkokoye se study we omode ho results bae no no mo pa kire se wo ye be ma na nya virus ni bia twa hwe atotwira na asese na wo ye be ma na se twa hwe atotwira na ne se unu nya be ma wo nya akokokora unu satan no na wo ye duru what mpampuro level na ne nti etesa ne se yesese virus no wura obodi no ma odo no kwa attach ne hu to protein bi e wo obodi ma ye frɛ no angiotensin eno no na ye kese sa angiotensin o se de be na busua egube ma hwe mbebere pa eno ni nti a hwe bisa kwa mimiki ni nti a wo 46 and 28 adini price angiotensin eno a egume ma hwe mbebere nti ho no ena na kese virus no nya wura be ma body no ma ase ho no kwa kwatena na ka wo virus o ba wiase ukunipa menye discrimination hwe yesu mo jan ka virus ni nyina ni mako wote ase hwe abusuanti so kokohia be ma bi na so kasa bebre na unhu ni okana ni su ya forget no men worry se virus gu ni hwam abusuan nado the president of the United States of Ghana obema ni 8th speech about this corona ni new virus na ni speech no new things bebre she the nimsa new things wom that get me wrong but no man no back kan ye no wo de makofi adoma ommo ni tofa e woni video ya ni nyoram ni mayen
na ensem ni nyana tofa bomu ye mfa ne se numbers no akosoro na wode na otwemienu enso e de aka ho se obia efa se asori ahodo efa ne se nipadom Asia no eno nso no eno na wode na otwemienu aka ho measures ane ohodada ni nyina no ontwen ba kokora ensan ye borders ayatum ni nyina eda so egina die egina na de oka ne se oyidi se breko animu no ni ma betwimi asakira na emom de osre ne se ye nyina yenhwe na yemwa no ema ontimi enko saa ekon enti ene no nothing new apart from specifics kakra efa dan a wo mo AC capacity a betwimi age nipa dodo and then efutu a ode ma ye se obesre Ghana for se ema yemfa ye ho enkonko hihye ne mabi mu wo ho ana Ghana for iwi afakoti kwan no mo akọ Ivory Coast for Burkina for no mo de mo afakoti kwan ya wura o man no o kese sa ne ma no ha adwen pa fi se wo hu se ekoso a Ghana for ni bi na edi se adwuma no eno no immigration for de wo mo na yasi for mo a wo mo hwe se emma ne sa na ntino but in all no we extended social gathering no na otwemienu na ode aka ho ntino mo a mo mpe school kono na kese school no wasen atomu na otwemienu no mo a na nka mo pe kwan so akọ school no so no won so mo de no na watwen atomu na otwe emienu enti eno eye omampani ensem a wode etudwa ene no ne tofabo emu eno no
yep abusia say Ghana total cases of coronavirus no 1550 mu 11 ewu ena mu 155 yeah 155 etima recover from yade no ena so hwe na speech na say dia say na ne squad omu tie Ghana for yesufre of say yes na ba onkatwi no na kan de brofu ni nyina wie no no say di twi twato.
The solidarity and humanity on display in these past days fills me with even more optimism that Ghana will overcome this crisis and come out even stronger. Enuanum nse ni abe ahaye nyina nenso me ware hihye mu se onyankopon adaroma nsema maken si enye no ayeye no ye koso disua eno and a beboye.
Abuziana neka twi say o wase ni ose monye no monkoso anye nenu ne beboa yen amayeti matake yade we say no head on but ni ono no kan say yes ye ya ye di so no okan no wo English and a video ka kire otwi say ni okan wo English no yeah this I want English ya abuziana still na wafaka I don't know why I wear this about say yes first dey kwa na nka twi say dey wa ba ya level kakra at least ye mu binum betima kire ye maame no mmerwafo ne nkokorafo te se kapito a omo asan wo brofum no. Moving on to Italy no ye nyira enim se nye Ghana nko na corona ye chese wache Ghana agboso Italy di oba besoa ye se Ghana say ja ye di free kwaye so ba no abuzia na so ya nkasa but as they say they no me start look good kakra ma Italy for Nora Sunday and I record the lowest deaths from this virus in Italy, which is Nipple 260. This is Nipple 260 and a good news one. Nani Abuzezo is a virus within your for the agro. You know, Obia Nimrana should not save no because they say we are seeing the annoyed the Ankasa. They tell you my fact before was a May 4th, was a May 5th, May Num Hobby, and no Baba say no, your lockdown or end you bet me a pie. And nurse still na yet them stores be abamakoto me kitchen set no and nurse still no ano maybe do as ade bi no so abusua ndino from the look of things no say no ma continue saying we Italy hopefully no your lockdown and je bend fingers crossed abusua na sa abusua ye free Italy dia na ne ye mohwi pa nkonkofa UK mra mo kai say na no ye episode bi aba Ghana for ma bi ma omo si omu kunu nom ne omo mpena no kire say Omo dane lockdown atu omo so a da bia todwe omo ku omo wodam no UK for omo de no just adane ama UK single ladies president obapa hwehwe just abusuo no na ba the speech aba ma say muna mo ye dedeze mo ne ye hye mo so too much ntino just mo no modwa no he mumiama no kra abusuo de tell speech no.
This is an important message for all the single women on lockdown because nobody's talking about us and I want to raise awareness. If you're in a corona couple and you're on lockdown with the love of your life, shut up because it's not the same. Okay, also if you're not having sex 5 times a day in isolation, then shame on you. Okay, because people like me are out here dickless. Okay, dickless. I've been dickless for 6 weeks and my love language is touch. I ain't touched shit. And nobody's talking about us. So when we're talking about, oh, you need to protect the elderly and protect people with asthma like myself, also protect the single women. Because no one's thinking about the single women out here who thought we had options this year and now our options run out. Okay? I'm single in a pandemic and I feel like shit. So think about us the next time you're coupled up in bed with the love of your life.
Abusia. Sister girl, I said that watch it. Oh, baby, at the water so. Oh, yeah, bit is a yeah, kubu. Oh, yeah, kubu and a problem, but you know, the girl. She has a girl man who quite that. What's your kind of sort of sentence? Abusia, jay. And I want UK, I never wink at home. Now, you can't say bonidie, drug dealing in your kick. Corona, we were in place and lockdown. A month for it is on my jai. Obian will be here cocaine, Obian will be we, oh, Busia, forget. We were wrong, we were totally wrong. Now, and Chaya and the UK for a much beer, net the mask, face mask give you. Equakoma hospitals at my phone in your kick. Yet your muko be on my suko shame, Busia. Mask no mo dey kono under the mask no oh cocaine pa 14 kilos worth over 1 million pounds and abusuan ko mo trafficking chese bonni die no drug dealer no na ye ka se corona we ne hu na manfo nti sad ni nyina jai akwakwa eti se Ghana na anu temade ye si ye ya awrobe se kwakwa robo chese broad daylight a police fo ku mienu chese Obi one want to say, yeah, na him say, me krana me ka say bonidie at the post, krono at the post, cocaine hia at the post. Sa mi mom na ma dwen da post, abusua. Jai. Na sa bonidie ne koso. He prevent you from corona. Na atwim bonifu edi akira o mo twen say corona ne betwam ama be robu ni nyina because ne beye ye wo wiase kura ne se obia be robu na wase ma corona which say the magnitude of that no ya nkasa aye say obi de oka na wo hu se nipa na nya coronavirus wo dwe ho a wonte ase wo de meka wo nya coronavirus de esese there abuzia nu tie ese prevent kofori from say onya coronavirus ni bie because nipa kofori bi omka wo wiase we ne doso kofori ka odi wo wiase afi we ne so otua ni nyina nse na corona ni bi be che no kra na ache no me kro de me kana wo de be hwa ka ho asem later nti abuzia prevent kofori from getting the coronavirus. Thank you. Ana abuzia se etwa ye ni hwe Sweden so they still now money lockdown which is omo freedom o metima move out. Akwaya adwuma akwaya ne omopese omo ye bia after say even nipa almost 19,000 enya yade ni bia mu 2,200 ewu no say still no ano omo de no lockdown no nothing business as normal usual activities na ekoso although omo observe social distancing ne akeka ho no ne tie basa ne say omo top omo top epidemiologist. Kwa kokos za terms akakaka science be confuse ni pakwa abuzu am top sa nipa na me boni din before no ono no say hu hia so mbeka so mo lock down na fe de panic bia be se nipa mu na fe de nipa na tu akogu hospitals na just say de omo bibia say it say me happen with Italy ne some other countries no nti omo gambo ne say still na yade ne de hu hia so mo be stay lockdown because say omo person be create panic man no ma enye sesi no asi ye mopa esa hwe ntu omo ti se ni other countries bi aka no omo gamble na be pay off na nkwanko basa apa de anani omo so afaka ena se ye dane ye ni hwe USA abusuan se de nkra cats nkra na satinya virus ibio.
The CDC announcing on Wednesday that cats in 2 separate homes in New York State have tested positive for COVID-19.
The cat presented with symptoms of upper respiratory infection, so sneezing, coughing, watery nose, nasal discharge, and eye discharge, and lethargy.
Nyamementi ase ne se nipa kure nya test ni bi nye se di nkra nkra mom na New York fo o started test your for virus no nyesa and na one more question why nkra na the virus no kokoma akra no and e ba ne say na say even say kra start nya virus no bia na ne Ghana ye kokoro ye nse gu pan mu a na mponche abenum zanzu no abusua Ghana mponche so benya virus enya ye ka aponche na me virus ekoyi ana abusua New York die enya nkra mienu wepeu ye se bronzu jata ne sibo 6 anya virus di ai na virus we no beza abusua ntin we ne special advice to everybody watching. So wo kra na se wo nye kra ni too much ya ntanzu so ni because one hwa no akwa virus ni bia bro because they say no ye di omu nyina one scale omu timi nya bi yezu ye timi nya bi he obi starting nya nkra mask mra na ebehia abuja before say beto aso episode we was sponsored by Tap Send. Tap Send near app bia betim dia send mobile money akwakoma busuafo wo Ghana and na just Ghana and some African countries bia account say Cote d'Ivoire and Nigeria. This is our Europe within Italy, Belgium, France, Spain, UK, Germany ni akeka ho abusu betimi send this using this mobile app wa. Ebekwa akoma nipa no easy, fast and very simple kura. No a live video aye kura the same thing. To show you how simple and super Tap Send no aye. Ndi abusu our YouTube video description aseno. Me leave link wa o click so betimi akwa download atu phone so. Na se oyin so be send this ka akoma abusu afo wa Ghana. Na ne wa use sa app mum dia sende kire so mo exchange fee no e wo soro dan so many apps say the same thing and on top of that no wo send there ya new any transaction fee as you saw send ram the same thing wa ha no ndi abusia me level link YouTube video description ase click so na ko download so use Android o say iOS o na say wo so send this ka kuma abusia for Ghana what tap so using Tap Send. Thank you. Abuja mkaze na ano na do yi lockdown in free Accra so ani Kumasi voice no well lockdown do yi from so but say social distancing amanfo ni amanfo na mama space no montem no eno no dia wanya every ho because eno ni hia Nti still now is in place. Na way na papa police ni bi try send call ma okada driver bi edi sa amara ne so. Okada driver isu anti ase ofiri fa abusua wode ne sen waka papa police apampam ala abusua wa abotokuro. Why na yesa? Wochi obi wi na pampam di esesen. Abusua obi obetima chi nipa aka na pampam bia no can be a serial killer. Because on start straight up, say wo wi nipa pampam, you start from somewhere. Wo start say wo kan nipa no mo were ne nsa na so ne hwene wo ti ase na no ansa na graduate ko na nipa na pampam because when soft issue bi answer dani wasa na watch police ni oka police ni apampam di esesen my goodness obi lock say akwa way up opambo abuja US President Trump de bia me kasa mine na confused mine na confused za ma say kura de ono ankasa no wabre Corona ni virus ibaye e ba senka e ba be wie yen Italy for but later down the line on okai say ye kura sa onye ye just say ye nye ne target e capito enti abusia virus ndu US a just say ekuni pasa na eguso e hwehwe ba bia capito wo monchi capito na mo one virus ne pa ne ni bi now nipa who from sa coronavirus we wo US and bro 55,000 people there be new cases ni new wo abuso eguso a eboba na wo hwese ne no mesi ko na ho na citizens no adani omwani ahwe omu president otiase Donald Trump say ka at least one no find the solution famra na fe de ade itu ontwa otiase na who's the president Trump no e ba kasa o ya ade ba say ba mamu a wasa se oni nam epekio for coronavirus ya na di ni twa kef ko fa chloroquine yo just chloroquine no a doctor for na jeda nyantum bisa because omosi omunya test ye emomu say your mad this dosage ya ene beti make coronavirus intin doctors ne buy no just say and shut down ko ya ma doctors for na say because I say no tumfu trogu nipa bi no mani I say chloroquine we ni ye cure for coronavirus and e beti make coronavirus but a doctor for no tie no makeka na omosi enya simple to say ne President Trump e chirim no e wo ma no samba bontin be kasa manfo omunya ide doctors for na keka no mumfa chloroquine no so wonya yade ni bi nko ade a because what will you lose? Because na say onu madroi na say ebetimi asevu a na asevu entimi asevu na wu a na ukọ because already na no as you are on the path of death when you opa kire no say eno no so a tesa anko yi amani pa bebresa nti eno na nya adwuma no eno osesa dia wo ene amanfo kra ma ho kwan no mo nkonko start adwuma because economy ne crash day to be ekofom there is a man for statistics or more quadman as almost statistics or more year. Economy never started bounce back a cacra because corona uti fear winyabi, upia winyabi, uquadma winyabi. This ferry any word ya, none and café in wo. Abuja don't swa as a yajuma, now Fedi and now President Trump could be an annoying. Yenum disinfectant yo. Sa disinfectant ni spray ni normal say the paper form mu betim dey keep virus away ku virus wa amafo test ni ye keka ho.
Right, and then I see the disinfectant where it knocks it out in a minute, 1 minute. And is there a way we can do something like that by injection inside or almost a cleaning? Because you see it gets on the lungs and it does a tremendous number of the lungs, so it'd be interesting to check that. So that you're going to have to use medical doctors with, but it sounds interesting to me.
Abuja, na president nasa. Yes, ye use disinfectant we ye mudi akura de sesen. Hwe asem we no be kan no. Anko ye with nipa bebre Emma US former Vice President Joe Biden. Kura be tweet ye ni tweet no say I can't believe I have to say this, but please don't drink bleach. I try the paper from just say, many watches all condom. So when your virus in Libya, Nadia Pan a bathroom putima. I think can send me say with the rough Zano. Abuja at this point, Sir President Trump offer any assistance in solving this pandemic. Moon lock on it down. Because na some guy man should make sense bia of asem until say corrupt capital but be chirem say near President Trump pa chire ni say you were disinfectants abusia this hand sanitizer near the people from cleaning viruses na sefwe ye will be a bit more useful for the outside body. No, this on bet me a finding where on bet me a ye bet me a useful for the inside of our body. Utien is a look at it from that angle, yeah, and can make sense, kakra. But weird. So mampani pa be offer a solution we. Dia buja minim say manfo bebre President Trump asem, but na asem oba be kan ba say ade we say no. Abuju onye doctor. Me money pa bebre mo anyizu ni na chisa na until so beba bontia be ka se coronavirus no. Ye nya ho aduro na enie no. Abuja no be kan bia mon disregard. Say for coronavirus no won ko ade a because from the look of things ni say no see ya the normal fa no. Wasa Abuja, that is our episode for today. Within this week, you have seen another coronavirus update. And a very helpful part to OBB. And we will add some doctors for Binum Sem to say Dr. Feel Good, your mom, please watch out for that one. Don't forget, say a sponsor for this episode near Tap Send. This episode send this Kakuma with your for Ghana. Nanya with your link in the YouTube video description. So, Europe in Quadia. Ko download now so tap now so send the comment busia for subscribe with your YouTube channel and click what man so say new video be e be no e buy around saka till we meet again busia adios.